Okay, this is the first lesson for the third Mishnah. I just want to clarify one point that originally the way the Gemara was printed was that all the Mishnayos were put at the beginning of each parak, and the rest was just Gemara, and the Gemara just quoted, a line at a time, and you would have to go back and look at the beginning. But then later on, the printers divided up the Mishnayos throughout the parak. So I mean, it's not really relevant right now, but you should just know that the Mishnayos can be learned in order. So the first Mishnah was Maniach Hazakad b'Shas Harabim. Someone put an obstacle in Rosh Hashanah, it didn't belong there, and if someone broke it, it would be potter. The next Mishnah is if someone was walking and he drops a Nishbara Kadai, his kad fell. And here it's another case of Hashayfech Mayim b'Shas Harabim. That's what we'll start right here. Notice I made this line. This is Masnis in our Mishnah. Hashayfech Mayim b'Shas Harabim. Hashayfech is someone that pours in water in Rosh Hashanah, which could be a problem, could get slippery. And v'huzak me'acher. And someone gets hurt by it. Acher is another person, right? Is injured or damaged. Let's write damaged. So chayiv b'nizkai, the person that poured it is obligated to pay for those damages, b'nizkai and those damages. Okay, let's make a case number. Let's write it in that. We'll write a number 1, and I'll just do the case numbers. This is case number 2. There's case number 3, and there's case number 4. So we'll have 4 cases in the Mishnah, and that way we'll. Oops, I don't want that. 1 second. Okay, that should be good. Next case number 2 is hamatzniya. This is someone that hides. Hamatzniya es hakoitz. He hides a thorn. Koitz is a thorn. Ves haschuches, and glass. It actually means or glass. It means he's hiding something. Maybe he's putting it in the ground. So no one gets hurt by it. The problem is that he's doing a lousy job, and he's hiding it in a way that it could get uncovered with a normal wind. Which, let's say he put a piece of paper on top of a thorn, or on top of this broken beer bottle, or some dangerous sort of glass, a broken light bulb. And he put a piece of paper on it, so the wind is going to blow it off. So he thought he was hiding it, but he did a negligent type of job. So if it's going to cause damage, he's going to be responsible. V'hagoyda gidroi b'koitzim. Goyder es gidroi means he sets up a fence. It's a phrase. There's no word in here that means build. All the words mean fence. A geder is a fence. I'll just do sets up a fence. He sets up a fence. Bekoitzim, with thorns. So normally people would set up a fence with walls. He set up a fence with thorns. By the way, that's not surprising. Every rose bush has some thorns in it, and which is very pretty. And so that's his fence. But the problem is that he's letting the thorns stick out. Instead of trimming them back, he's letting them stick out, so someone could get hurt by them. And as we actually learned this before, we quoted this concerning Rabbi Lazar and Rabbi Yechanan. The fourth case is v'geder shenafal Rosh Hashanah. If a wall fell down into Rosh Hashanah, nafal is fell. Okay. Now either he was told to remove it, to remove the wall because it was dangerous, or it fell down and he was supposed to pick it up. So either way, it's a bar. Will go under the category of bar. V'huzku b'macherim, and someone else got hurt. Others got hurt. Right. Others were injured. So chayiv b'niskan, all of these is chayiv. So we gave 4 cases where a person would be chayiv for damages that were caused in Rosh Hashanah.